In this video, you will learn how to change time zone in MetaTrader 5. Understand broker server time. MetaTrader 5 shows time based on your broker server. This can be changed automatically. Use a time zone indicator. Download and install a custom MetaTrader 5 time zone indicator that displays local time or converts time zones on your chart. Apply the indicator. Once added to MetaTrader 5, apply the indicator to your chart. This will show desired time zones, such as local time, alongside broker time. Label important session manually. Use horizontal lines or text to mark sessions like New York, London or Tokyo, based on your desired time reference. Use a VPN with local clock adjustment. If you're using a VPN to run MetaTrader 5, adjusting the VPN system clock will not change the MetaTrader 5 time, but may help you script or bot, depending on your system. Contact your broker for server time. Ask your broker what time zone their MetaTrader 5 server operates in, so you can adjust your analysis accordingly. Now you know how to change your time zone in MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.